By the title, you already know what's happening, so let's cut to some sexy shots of it and let's get her installed. Well, she's finally installed, and now the moment of truth. Finally getting this started up after waiting probably 2 months. Please be quietish. Told you, Kyle! It's not that loud. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. Oh. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Dinger. All right, so this is my second version of the exhaust, I'll be honest. The first one, let's play a little clip of that real quick. Yeah, and he said that it was gonna be quiet. He doesn't know what happened, but he made it right. I sent it back to him. He made a new muffler, and it is perfect. It is the right tone. It is not too loud, but it's got that deep throatiness that I really was looking for. So we're going to cut to tomorrow because it's about 11:30 and we don't want to annoy the neighbors at 11:30 at night. So we're going to cut to that, do some comparison, and we'll be right back. Now that it's an appropriate time of day to do this, we're going to break out the comfort meter, which is actually a decibel meter, to find out how loud the Z125 exhaust is compared to the stock exhaust. So we're going to warm up the bikes and get on into it. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and I am absolutely in love with the sound of that exhaust note. And I can't wait to actually get my race exhaust because that thing is going to be loud. So, and we kind of pulled out Kyle's FZ to kind of see what that sounded like with the dB meter and everything. So if you want to see the video of that, make sure to check us out on Instagram at Z Garage to see that video. So hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good day.